Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to invite someone to your myQ garage. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're staying away or going away on vacation and you need someone to have access to your garage. How do you actually go ahead and invite them? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, let's first go into the myQ app. Now, I recently made a video about this, and what actually does need to happen is the person that you're inviting needs to create their own myQ account. It makes it a lot easier for when they get the invite because they can actually see the invite on their account as well. So once you're on this page here, simply click on the gear icon in the upper right hand corner, click on users and credentials. Then from here, click on add a user, then click on household, click on continue, the device that you want them to control, click on next, set the type of access that they could have. Click on next, and then this is where you're going to enter their details, and then there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and invite someone to your myQ garage. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.